In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook account to eBay. Whether you're trying to streamline your login process or just want the convenience of a linked account, we'll take you through each step, ensuring it's simple and straightforward. Let's get started by logging into your eBay account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, the next thing to do is navigate to your account settings. To do that, hover your mouse pointer over your name in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Click on Account Settings to proceed. Once you're within your account settings, focus your attention on the Personal Info section. Here look for Sign In and Security, which is your gateway to managing how you access your account. Select this option, it's where you'll need to go to begin linking your Facebook account. Now let's scroll down until you reach the section titled Social Sign In. This area is dedicated to connecting your eBay account with various social platforms, and in this case, we're focusing on Facebook. The process is user-friendly and designed to enhance your eBay experience. In the social sign-in section, look out for Facebook. Once you've found it, you'll see an Edit button next to it. Click on this to start the linking process. After clicking Edit, you'll be directed to proceed by selecting Continue with Facebook. This is where the two accounts begin to sync, and Facebook will ask you for the necessary permissions to link with eBay. Rest assured, granting these permissions is safe and will allow for a more seamless login experience across platforms. Follow any prompts that appear on your screen carefully. Each prompt is designed to ensure you're aware of the changes being made and to confirm that you're in control every step of the way. As you follow these instructions, just remember to keep your Facebook login credentials handy, as you may need to enter them during this process. After completing these steps, your Facebook account will be successfully linked to your eBay account. This not only makes logging into eBay easier, but also ensures you're up to date with any notifications or activities that may require your attention across both platforms. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to linking your Facebook account to eBay. By following these instructions, you'll find your user experience enhanced and your account management much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful content. We hope you have a great day.